Hello friends, this is your CryptoSats. So today we're gonna see some backtest on gold. So how this strategy works and how these indicators help you in getting a nice bags of profits. So for this I'm gonna use 1 hour time frame where is gold, which is XAU USD in your terms. So I'll take some backtest data, but I'll just calculate it from here so that I can make this video short. So we'll go from here and we'll just review each and every signal we get using this strategy, which is from May 13. So we'll just see how many wins we get and how many lose we get, and even you'll get to know how to place your targets, stop loss, and how to manage your trades when you get different situations. So watch the video till the end. So let's start it. So at this point of time, like here we have this candle is closing in green, which is an indicator. We have 3 bars green over here. So as per my last strategy I taught you guys, which is when we have a stochastic trend background as green and we have trend meter 3 bars green or red, and we wait for one candle close to take a long or short position. So in this case we have a green background here, 3 bars green over here, and this one is a valid long signal, so we're gonna long it. So this candle is closed, so we take entry on the open of the next candle, which is here, that is 1707. So we take a stop loss, and as I told you guys in my last video, when you have these kind of choppy markets, take a good take a previous structures low, which is this one. So we take a stop loss over here and we take a 1-to-1 ratio from there. So our stop loss here, which is 1.07% target, and let's see if what happens next. Bingo, our target's hit over here. So we have a target hit. Okay, this one was a good long signal. So we'll see for next signal. We don't count this signal because this is where our targets were hit, so we just wait for the next trade setup. Yeah, we have a signal over here. So at this point we have a long signal. We have a Martin trend meter 3 bars green, Martin stochastic trend 3 bars green, green background. We check for support or resistance. We don't have any resistance, we are good to go. So let's take a long over next candle, which is here, yeah. So we place our stop loss previous 8 candles, which is this was a nice structure zone, so we can place our stop loss over here, stop loss, and we take a long over here, quick 1:1 ratio, 0.87. So we'll play. That was a fast target hit, so our targets were hit over here, and that is the 2 in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 hours. In 8 hours our targets were hit, which was a good trade though. So we'll see for next signal. So second buy signal was also a profitable one, so we win 2 trades till now. Yeah, we have a short signal over here. We take this. So this candle closed all in red, so we have a short signal. We take short over here, which is red. So we take 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this was our stop loss, this is our stop loss because this is the structure's high. So we place stop loss over there. we take a 1-to-1 ratio from our entry to the targets. Well, this was a very big trade. I mean, you have a stop loss almost around $30, so you just manage your trades according to that. So we just take 2%. Okay, so let's see how this thing is reliable. Oh, I'll just make it big, so finally below the entry. Well, this trade must have tested your patience, a lot of patience, but patience is key to success. So let's see. Well, finally guys, finally our targets were hit, which was a very good target, which is 2%, around $30. That was a hell of a trade. So depending on your stop loss percentage, you just manage your trades, guys. So don't go big when you have a big stop loss, go big when you have a small stop loss. So in this case, it has tested a lot of patience, but the targets were hit finally, and that's the best thing about this strategy, guys. So this was a good trade. So as of now, we took 3 trades and we won 3 trades. So let's wait for next signal. We have a long, so we have a long signal over here. And yeah, one more thing, you guys must be having a doubt. What if we are in a trade and we get, example, if we are in a short example here and we got 2 long signals, what to do? My suggestion is wait until the stop loss or target gets triggered. Don't enter any trade until that. So that's how I personally trade that way, because I don't change my bias or something. So just wait for your targets or stop loss to hit. Till then, just be in that trade and hold and have patience. So we have a long signal over here, we're gonna long it over here. Our stop loss below this structure zone, possibly. We have 8 candles too, and we take 1:1 from here, 0.78. Let's see. Alright, our targets hit. So 4th consecutive wins, guys. So as of now, we haven't lost any trade, so we are on a good win streak. So let's see. So this was a good trade. Let's see for next one. You have a long signal over here, but I would not take that if I were you, because we have already won this one. So yeah, you can take a small lot. So we'll just check it out, that one too. So we have a long signal here. Take longer to open the next candle. So our previous structure is this was a good nice support with a naked eyes, but as the rule says, we're gonna take this as a stop loss. Let's see. This was a stop hit. The reason why I told I wouldn't take this trade was because it's already in an uptrend, and we just have a one small, just a one point of time red, which may be due to this small dump. So I don't take that, because when you have like this a long term long downtrend and you have a long signal, you take that because it's really changing the trend. So anyways, this was a stop hit. So one stop hit we have, sorry, we have one stop hit. So let's see next signal, because one small red will not give you a good buy signal. If you have like good reds like this one, and let's check the previous, see this one full red, and here it was a pretty big long time red. So it was around, it was in one day of red. Anyways, let's see for next signal. Sorry, I didn't notice this short signal. We have a short signal over here. This strategy will help you in just removing all the noise, all like many people get confused, follow to whom, or like which to follow, like how to take a trade. You know everything. I don't tell you don't know anything. You know every strategy, you are good, but your psychology doesn't let you trade on what you want to trade. So this will help you in that case. So stop loss is this. So you just need to wait for this to turn red or green as per the strategy and take the trade. Just very simple trade, simple strategy, simple rules. So 0.84%, 0.84%. So we play this, see, target hit, simple. This was a good trade. So that was a good trade. So as of now we have received one stop hit. Let's wait for, oh, the market ends over here. So that's it guys. So we'll just have a quick countdown how much, like we had 1 2 3 4 5 6 trades. Out of 6 we won 5 trades. So that is a very good winning ratio for any strategy to win, to play. So hope you guys like this video, and if you want to buy the indicators, go to my Telegram. Just click this link, which is selfily.com, or go to pin messages, payment website, just click them. You will be redirected to my website. Just you'll find the indicators over here. Just click this and you have all the details, what all are indicators you get to buy in this bundle of 8. So you will find my YouTube link. So just add to cart and you can check out. You can either PayPal me or credit card. So in any way you want to buy, you can buy guys. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like the video. If you like, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. All the best.